Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today we are making a light and delicious dessert that is called the Clafoutis with berries. We love this dessert very much at our home. This recipe actually is inspired by famous French actor Gérard Depardieu's cookbook. This dessert is very tasty. It's perfect for anyone who loves a dessert that's not too sweet but still feels indulgent. In the original recipe, the clafoutis was made with raspberries, but today we will cook it with mixed forest berries with a creamy yogurt filling, all in a short crust pastry base. Let's get started. Let's begin with the classic short crust pastry. Here's what you'll need: 150 grams all-purpose flour, 75 grams soft butter, 1 egg yolk, half pack of baking powder, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and a pinch of salt, and a bit of cold water. All ingredients are given in the description below. Mix the flour with the baking powder and pour onto a dish or surface. After aerating the flour, make a well in the center and then add sugar and then salt, pinch of salt, and the soft butter. Just cut it into small pieces. In a small bowl, mix the egg yolk with a little cold water, then add it to the dough. Okay, now let's knead everything until the dough comes together smoothly and doesn't stick to your hands. And then we'll shape it into a ball, wrap it in plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for about an hour, or in the freezer for 15-20 minutes if you are short on time. Now let's prepare the yogurt filling. You'll need 200 grams of yogurt, the egg white we didn't use earlier and 1 whole egg, almost 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2-3 tablespoons of brown sugar I used too. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until smooth and lump-free. Preheat your oven to 210 degrees Celsius. Take a large round baking dish and line it with baking paper. Roll out the chilled dough into a thin layer and carefully place it into a dish, forming the high edges. Prick the base with a fork and blind bake it in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. Then let it cool slightly. I don't thaw the berries beforehand, but I lightly dust them with cornstarch to prevent them from releasing too much juice during baking. Okay, now spread the forest berries evenly over the baked pastry base. Pour the yogurt filling over the berries. Make sure it's evenly distributed, which I did not, of course. Okay, bake the clafoutis in the oven for another 10 minutes. Keep in mind that baking time may vary depending on your dish. Mine is glass, so it takes a bit longer. Once the clafoutis is golden, take it out of the oven and let it cool completely. Then it's time to slice it up and eat, of course. This dessert is perfect for any occasion. It's light, fruity, and absolutely delicious. Don't forget to let me know how yours turns out in the comments below. Bon appétit, everyone.